Hello my crafty friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I am going to be doing a Happy Mail unboxing. I received my junk journaling collection from Cheaply Chic and I wanted to open it on camera, the kit. I haven't actually, I just literally just opened the bag and I haven't pulled anything out, so I'm not even sure what your lady sent us in our packages, so I'm very interested to see what goodies she sent us. So I'm gonna go ahead and just open it and show you what I got. All right, so as always, she has a little flyer with the name of the collection and just a little note. So I'll just put that aside. And here is the journal. I did order it 24 hours of release. So if you order it 24 hours, she typically sends you a little thank you. So this is the little thank you. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. So it's cute little tickets. Another little roll of tickets from the Christmassy colors. A couple of little size tags. And then this was part of the, I think she also included one of these in the collection as well. It's basically like a little, it's like a Christmas trivia game, little board thing. So it's really cute. There's like questions on the front and then the back. And another little claim ticket. Oh, this is really cute. It's just a little tag with Santa on it. And then some extra goodies. Another guest check. And then a really cool pine cone holly napkin. And then of course there's the bag that you can use in your journal as well. So she has her little hearts. This is kind of one of her signature little things she puts in all of her collections. So put those aside. This cute little piece of tinsel. Then the bookmark. And a couple little jingle bells in all the different colors. Really cute. And then of course she typically has a little bag of fibers and strings and stuff. So I like that she's included some red in there, and the journal is kind of like a blue color, but she's incorporated a little bit of red and gold in it, which I like. And of course some paper clips. And then, of course, you can always use the little glossy bags. And here's a little Poinsettia playing card. And then in this one, let's look in here. So there is some snowflake die cuts. There's 3 of them. Oh, there's the other heart. And then just some tickets, some holly paper. And then this looks like a little Tim Holtz thing. Oh, I like that one. Joyous Christmas. These just look like little Tim Holtz things. I think she said that these were vintage. At least it looks vintage. Oh, look at the little stamps. Those are cute. And then the old little stamp. And then a couple little stars. And then a tab. So that is all in this little glossing bag. And then there's this little postcard. Okay, and then what's in here? Let's see what she has in here. So she has little journaling cards. And here's another little game board piece. Couple little tags, another claim ticket, some other tickets. Oh, this is cool. It's a little glossy envelope. Best wishes for the holiday season. She stamped these tags. And then an inventory tag, and then her long tag she typically has. Oh, I like that one. It's got the Christmas tree and then the pine cones at the top. That's really cute. And then I love the napkin with the little birdie, the little scarf on. Been really into birds lately. And then this little journaling card. our favorite time of the year. And these are double-sided too, so we could use either side. And then this one has a couple of flat back pearls and just some little gems in here. I thought that was really cool. And then again, kind of a bigger, wider glossing bag. A couple of pieces of paper. Kind of looks like it all went with the same collection, which is cool. And there's a book page from a little golden book. This one's super cute with the Santa and the Christmas tree. And then this was just a old page, or book page from Scrooge, or I should say, The Night Before Christmas, or no, what is this called? Oh, the Christmas Carol book. And then here is a one from I think this was one from an Ideal book, The Voice of a Christ Child. Oh, that's cool. I'm glad I got a Christian-y one. Okay, and then let's go ahead and look at, gosh, it's so much stuff. She just includes so much. It's such a great value. Let's kind of move all this stuff aside and let's look at what is in this little thing. And this was from, and that's how you say her name. I think she has a YouTube channel, so if she does, I'll try to see if I can link it below. So there's a little Santa Claus tag. Look how cute he is. And then just a little pocket with a tag in it. Ooh, yay. Snowflakies. So all different types of snowflakes. Really cute. Oh, look how cute those all are. And the little button. I really like that. That's really cute. Okay, so there is some ribbon, really cool snowflakey ribbon. That's really cool. And then some snowman washi tape. And then she's got a couple little charms in here. She has one little dove charm. And then this one has Made with Love, and it's got a little, oh, that's really sweet. It's like blue, but it's got like little things of red in it. I'm not sure if you can see that. Probably can't. And then the little snowflake brad, and then some ribbon and a napkin. Oh, that's so cute. And then the snowflake charm. Oh, just some stickers, snowflake stickers. A cute little tag thing. Big snowflakes. Wow, she gave us a lot of stuff. Wow, look at all this. There's something else in there. So there's a sticker and just some snowflake stickers. Neat, cool. Look at all the snowflake stuff. And then look at the little bag. She put all these little stickers on this bag. That's really cute. I'm sure that took her a while to get all that done. That was really, really sweet of her to do that. And that's just something that she gives to Lynette to put in her collections, just as a little added bonus for us that buy it. So we appreciate it immensely. Okay, so I'm going to just put this stuff away and then show you what the journal looks like. All right, so here's the journal. So let's just open this up. And I'll just do a quick flip through of this, and then, oh, I like that it's black. I think that's cool. I guess I don't, it's been a while since I saw the video release, so I didn't really remember what it looked like. So this got the snowflakes, and then she added all of this kind of like glitter around and iridescent. I love the reindeer. So again, I'll just do a quick flip through. I think basically it's just kind of all pages, just like normal. And then I got a dictionary page. And then just these. Let's see. Music sheet. And here's a little glossing bag. Oh, it's open. Is it not opened? It's not opened. Oh, there it is. I thought it was opened. Open that way. And that one. And this folds out. Perfect. All right. I loved the cover. The cover is so pretty this time. All right, so that is my Happy Mail from Cheaply Chic. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's been a while since I've posted any videos, but I am planning on doing some journaling. I've got some time off, but I've kind of planned a lot of stuff with my time off, so I'm hoping I'll have some time, though, to do a couple of videos here and there, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you again real soon. Bye for now.